Look, I don't eat the foods that speedrun heart disease, cancer, diabetes, erectile dysfunction in men, UTIs in women. Why? Because I'm not a glutton for punishment. But if you're still eating the Western diet, you're basically raising your hand and saying, yes, I'm a glutton for punishment. Please punish my arteries, punish my hormones, punish my gut, punish the animals, and punish the planet too. You're choosing the one diet specifically proven to wreck your body, torch ecosystems, and torture animals. All because you're too lazy to learn how to eat a different way. And the wild part? You defend it by saying it tastes good, which only proves one thing: you can't cook. Because I make whole food, plant-based meals that taste incredible, keep me healthy, and don't come with the side order of lifelong medications. At this point, it's not normal eating, it's self-inflicted damage. Western diet eaters aren't food lovers. They're punishment enthusiasts. And every bite is punishing their health, the animals they pay to kill, and the planet they pretend to care about.